Now, one cover that I've seen a few times over the last couple of years is the Revolver X4. But this time it looks a little bit different. I'm Katie Osborne. Alongside me is Jesse Del Toro with BAK Industries. Now, Jesse, help me better identify what's different this year.
Well, what you seen last year was a mill finish cover with the felt design underneath. What we've gone and changed this year is we've done a powder coated finish on the underside alongside with a rubber grip handle that allows you to roll the cover easier.
It looks so nice. When is it available?
It is available in 2020. We will be launching it next year. The other upgrades we've done is we have added new end caps on this to help it roll better and have a more finished look that belongs on the vehicle. This cover is also designed with hard aluminum slats to provide maximum security on the bottom, covered with vinyl.
Jesse, does it still operate the same way?
It does operate the same way. It still provides the full function of rolling all the way forward and all the way back and locking down, providing ultimate security.
That is a nice looking truck bed cover. For more details on the Revolver X4, check out truck-hero.com.